Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking Windows 10 build and freeing space. This matters because updates fail when storage is low. Once done, pause antivirus and non-essential apps to avoid conflicts. Make a restore point now and write down any update error codes. They guide later steps. Open Settings Right Arrow Update and Security, then select Troubleshoot. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. These first actions prevent data loss and reveal whether automatic fixes will resolve the issue. Next, you perform deeper repairs because many failures stem from corrupted components. Open an elevated CMD and stop services, rename software distribution and cacheroute 2, then restart services. This resets the update store. After that, run sfc/scano to repair system files and dism/online/cleanup image to fix the component store. If a specific update fails repeatedly, download its KB package from the Microsoft catalog and install it manually. These steps target file corruption and package-level errors. To finish, reboot and check update history to confirm applied patches, then retry Windows Update. If it still fails, create a new local administrator account and run update there. Profile corruption can block installs. Make sure to record any fresh error codes. As a last resort, perform a repair install with the Media Creation tool. It reinstalls Windows 10 while keeping your files and apps. If problems persist, one key tip: capture the latest error code and search Microsoft error tables or use the Get Windows Update log output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.